Hello and welcome to the video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Phil and I'm a retired solo traveler. I recently spent 3 weeks on the South Island of New Zealand, and on this adventure I got to walk on a glacier. Here is the route I took for this video. I hope you enjoy it. About to do a helicopter ride to the glacier, Franz Josef Glacier, and then I'm going to hike on the glacier. This is going to be amazing. I can't wait. This is awesome.
Okay.
That is so amazing. I am loving this.
Yeah, I know. Can you see the cream?
Going in there. That's awesome.
On the big flat pad, like there should be a rope that Brad set up, which is as far.
Okay. So Laura and and then you guys already.
So
No, not yet.
coming off of this glacier. Tree. That helicopter ride and hike on the glacier was one of the highlights of my life. It was incredible. It was expensive, but it was so worth it. It's a once in a lifetime thing. It was a little more than $400 American. It was $695 New Zealand, but incredible. Staying at a campsite just outside of Fox Glacier, New Zealand. And this is my view. Pretty awesome. Today I'm in Mount Aspiring National Park. I drove about 2.5 hours down here. So I'm starting with Roaring Billy Falls. I'm going to go see a few waterfalls today, I think, and maybe do a couple hikes. And then I'm going to spend the night in Wanaka. Should be a fun day. There is Roaring Billy Falls. It's a very interesting name. There's a huge rock field here by the falls. I guess the water comes up this level sometimes. Beautiful color on this water right here. Got this stream running all the way down here through the rocks. That was a beautiful area. I had not planned on coming here. I just saw a sign on the side of the road and pulled over. Sometimes the spontaneous stuff is the best. This is just an amazing drive through Mount Aspiring National Park. With views like this. That is Thunder Creek Falls. Oh, rainbow right there. This is Fantail Falls. Named so because it fans out at the bottom. Another one of the things on my challenge list was to swim in a waterfall. Feet are in the water. There's the waterfall behind me. That counts. There's Mad Campers. Woo! For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, my camper van company, Mad Campers, has a challenge where if you do the 9 things that I'm showing you on this picture, you get 5% off of your camper van rental. So I took the challenge and did all 9 things. This was the 3rd one. I did the other 2 in the first video, which you can see here. Water's freezing, my feet are numb, but it was worth it. I am on the Blue Pools track, and there's a couple of bridges that you have to cross, but the bridges are closed. But they say it may be possible to ford the streams. So I'll see if I can get across the streams. If not, then I guess I won't see the blue pools. But I'm gonna see what's down there. Well, these 2 bridges are closed, so I guess I'm not going to see the blue pools. I'm gonna see how deep the water is, but it's looking pretty deep. So I don't know if I'm gonna go in. People are saying it's thigh deep, so I'm not gonna do it. But it was still a nice walk. Good to get out and walk. But this is a beautiful view here, so I guess it wasn't a total loss. Wah, wah, wah. This is Lake Wanaka. Very picturesque. Wow, that's amazing reflection. This is Lake Hawaii. Another very picturesque lake. beautiful lake view here. There's some of the neighborhoods. Got a little mall here with shops and restaurants. Town center is a little ways away from here. Saw this and I had to try it. So let's see how bad it really is. Not bad. Could be worse. It's Easter weekend and I'm in Wanaka. And my bad for not booking a place earlier, but there was no campground available when I tried last week. So I'm splurging and staying in an Airbnb, which is nice, gets sleeping real bad. Woo!